Welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing, the ones that remind us why precision matters and how the smallest mistakes can steal your whole afternoon. This one's called the Great Tool Length Mix-Up. I was setting up a quick aluminum prototype. Basic pockets, counterbores, clean finish, everything looked good, until tool number 7 took a dive. Instead of finishing the pocket, it dropped about an 1/8 inch too deep. Not a crash, but enough to stop the job. I checked the program, fine, offsets, good. Tool length, matched. After nearly 2 hours of chasing shadows, I found it. The tool was touched off in G54, but the program was running in G55. Yep, wrong offset, right tool, classic headache. Fixed the work offset, re-zeroed, and everything was perfect. And honestly, this kind of mix-up happens all the time. A missed offset, the wrong work coordinate, forgetting to hit store. It's not the machine, it's in the moment. That job reminded me, CNC is precision, but also attention. Ever been tripped up by something this simple? Drop your story in the comments, you're not alone. And if these shop floor moments hit home, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.